Now you have imported the data. So what next? Next is data cleaning. Because whenever you will be doing the data importing on Excel manually, there is a high chance that we can make mistake, we can make error. So what we have to do that time? We have to clean the data. So data cleaning is the process of fixing or removing incorrect, corrupted, incorrectly formatted, duplicate, or incomplete data within a data set. Like if you put a wrong number, wrong digit in the data set, if there is any missing value, that time you have to do the cleaning. Because we can't go forward with the corrupted data file. Because if we go go to our next procedure with the incorrect data file, the outcome will not show the exact. Okay. So now the process is data cleaning. I'll be using very basic process of data cleaning. There are so many ways, like after doing decoding, coding, but I'll be using very basic process. First of all, what you have to do is just go to analyze, descriptive statistics, frequency. Select all the variables excluding ID. Click on that tab. Go to statistics. Okay, just click on OK. Let's see. Okay. So here I have so he sorry. So here I'm having 202 data, and my missing data is in each measurement item I'm having one missing data. So we'll be working on that. But before that, let's go through the entire window. The entire outcome is saying gender, it is absolutely all right. There is a missing in gender. Okay, I mean missing in the sense there is no that one frequency. I mean one data. It was not supposed to in any category. In VP1, showing that there is a one error. I mean missing value. In VP2, here is the error that as we have adopted 5-point Likert scale, So the minimum value should be 1 and the maximum value should be 5. But here we're seeing that there is a value 32 and 33, which is incorrect. In BP3, it is okay. There is a missing. SQ1, there is another incorrect value, that is 44. Similarly, the SQ2 is okay. SQ3 is incorrect because there is a numeric, that is 55, which should not be there. In RI1, there is a missing value. RI2, there is two incorrect number, that is 14 and 75, and the missing value is 1. In RI3, the incorrect value is 95 and the missing is 1. Okay, so here we can see that we have to clean our data as our data set is incorrect. There's some wrongly imported digit in our data, so we have to work on that. Just click on ID, and here there is an option that is sort ascending and descending. Ascending will show you the minimum value, and descending will show you the maximum value first. Let's do a short ascending. Okay, look, there is an entire row that is completely blank. So we have to delete that. For deleting that, just click on the number, it is showing in the left, and right click your mouse and click on the clear. It will be deleted. Okay, so there is no missing value right now, but there are some wrong value. Let's find those things. Click on BP1, start with sort descending, click on that. Okay, so here there is no wrong value. Wrong value was in BP2. Same. Just click on the short descending. Okay, here are 3 wrong values: 33, 33, 32. So that time, what you have to do? There are so many ways to put the information, but for wrong values, you have to go through. You have to check manually your questionnaire, from where you collect a response, not exit questionnaire. The survey form. If you just get back to your survey form, there is a name called ID. There is a space named ID number. Here we will be putting the ID number, like it could be 01, 02. It should be according. Okay. So you have to recheck the respondents. You have to make it correct. So let's assume the respondents responded, it is as 3. Okay. The respondents are neutral on the statement 3. And here it could be like the respondents was disagree with the statement. Okay. So our VP2 that item is now correct. We have to go forward. The next is VP3. Same thing. Short descending. There is no error. The next item SQ1. Same. Short descending. There is an error, and you have to follow the previous procedure. You have to get back to your questionnaire, just find out the ID and all. And for finding out the ID, Okay, look, the IG number is 186. So 186 IG number, he put it a wrong we put it a wrong information of the respondents who is bearing the IG number 186. So let's make it correct. Let's assume he was agreed with the statement. SQ2 is okay. SQ3, there is an error and the IG number is 189. You have to get back to the questionnaire form of 189. Make it correct. Let's assume he was strongly agree. Then the RI1, there is no error. RI2, there is two errors. So for RI2 for 71, the IG number is 185, and for 14, the IG number is 195. You have to recheck those survey form. Let's assume he was agreed. He was agreed. So the final one is RI3. There is an error as well. Let's assume he was strongly agreed. Okay. So now our data set is totally correct, and we can go further analysis with the data set. But before that, we have to make another thing, that is there is option named measure. So there are so many things, so many scales are there, so many levels are there. So we have to make it correct. So let's talk about the levels of measurement. Am I going too fast? I'm just asking, am I going too fast?
It is okay.
You are still okay.
Okay, thank you. So there is the levels of measurement. So in our questionnaire, we have seen that there were two types of measurement, two types of question. The first one was demographic, and the second one was based on the 5-point Likert scale. We were trying to identify their perception towards each statement. So the measurement are usually categorized as 4 levels named nominal, ordinal, ratio, and interval.